In this video, I'll show you how to create and send a payment request on Stripe. First, open your browser and go to the official Stripe website and log into your Stripe dashboard using your account credentials. Once you're inside, you will be taken to the main dashboard where you can manage payments, customers, and products. Next, look at the left side menu and find the option called Payments or Invoicing, depending on your account setup. If you want a simple payment request, the easiest method is to use payment links or invoices. Now click on payment links to create a quick payment request that you can send to a customer. After that, click on the button that says Create Payment Link. You will now be asked to set up the product or service you are charging for. Enter a name for your product or service, then set the price and choose whether it is a one-time payment or a recurring payment. Once you finish setting the details, click Next to continue. Now you will see additional settings where you can customize the payment link. You can choose to collect customer information like email or address if needed. Make sure everything looks correct, then click Create Link. Stripe will now generate a unique payment URL for you. Next, copy the payment link that has been created. You can now send this link to your customer through email, WhatsApp, or any messaging platform. When the customer clicks the link, they will be taken to a secure Stripe checkout page where they can complete the payment using credit card or other supported methods. If you prefer using invoices instead, go back to the Stripe dashboard and click on Invoices, then select Create Invoice. Add the customer's email, add the product or service, set the amount, and click Send. Stripe will automatically email the invoice to your customer with a payment button. Finally, you can track the payment status directly inside your Stripe dashboard. Once the customer pays, the status will update automatically to paid, and you will receive confirmation. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create and send a payment request on Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.